A Buffalo woman who has spent her adult life in prison will soon be free. Patrice Smith was sentenced to 25 years to life in 1999 for the murder of a man who sexually exploited her. But a judge is granting her a new sentence, essentially time served, thanks to a new law. And as 7 Eyewitness News reporter Gilad Malamed found out, the university at Buffalo will be using that law to help more people like Patrice Smith.
The Domestic Violence Survivors Justice Act provides an opportunity for lesser criminal punishment in a case where the crime is committed out of domestic violence.
It has the potential to be transformative.
Patrice Smith is the first person in New York State to be resentenced for murder and will be walking free after serving more than 20 years in prison. On Tuesday, Judge Sheila DiTullio resentenced Smith to 12. Writing, quote, "Victimization fueled the crime for which she was convicted." The advocacy clinic at UB Law School will work on cases like Smith's, receiving more than a $50,000 grant to try cases under the DVSJA.
It's unfortunate, but there's so many people for whom violence and trauma were a factor in the crime.
The Institute is bringing 3 resentencing cases to trial under the May 2019 law. The clients were all convicted in Buffalo. There's been a handful of resentences so far under the DVSJA, but O'Rourke believes there's a big pent-up demand. He says that's why the program here at UB Law is so needed.
So the need is here, but the council is largely in New York City. And the need is here because not only are we the second largest city in the state, and we have enormous number of our neighbors who are currently incarcerated, but also because the prisons are so close to us, including Albion.
In a statement to 7 Eyewitness News, Smith's attorney says justice demands the legal system revisit sentences, even for the most serious decisions. Harrington says the ruling in Smith's resentencing is key precedent.
It's so important to have this decision where the judge really recognized how important it was, the experiences that were happening at the time of the crime, and really the more complete story of this woman's life.
In Buffalo, Gilad Malamed, 7 Eyewitness News.